Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to another exciting edition of Fun Facts. Did you know? Prepare to be amazed as we delve into a world of fascinating tidbits and mind-blowing trivia. From the bizarre to the extraordinary, we're here to spark your imagination and leave you saying, "Wow, I never knew that." So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey of discovery.
Did you know the word alphabet has a pretty interesting origin story? It comes from the Greek words alpha and beta, which were the first two letters of their alphabet. Over time, these two letters became associated with the word alphabet. We now refer to it as the first two Greek letters. It's like discovering a secret code hidden in plain sight, or, in this case, a secret message was in the first two Greek letters. This intriguing connection led us to believe that the word alphabet came about similarly. However, as we delve deeper into the history of language and the development of the alphabet, we find that the word alphabet actually refers to the modern Latin alphabet, which consists of the first 22 letters we use today. So, whenever we say alphabet, we are actually referring to the Latin alphabet, not the first two Greek letters. It's as if we uncover a new secret each time we use a word, and it keeps us intrigued and excited to learn more. This continues to be a fascinating and entertaining mystery for linguists and code breakers alike. But don't worry, fellow explorers! We'll keep exploring more fun facts and hidden secrets throughout our journey. So, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with future adventures. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, take care and happy exploring!